In nature's tapestry, a masterpiece unfolds, a breathtaking beauty forever untold. From rolling hills to pristine oceans deep, nature's artwork, a treasure to keep. With every creature, a role to play, nature weaves its magic, day by day. The harmony of ecosystems, a delicate thread. Nature's tapestry, where life is spread. The majesty of waterfalls, cascading down. The wonder of deserts, vast and profound. In the grandeur of mountains, reaching the sky. Nature's tapestry, a sight that draws the eye. Let us cherish and protect this work of art. For nature's tapestry is a precious part. In its beauty and diversity we find our place, and a reminder of the wonder that surrounds our space. Let us listen to the whispers of nature's rhyme, and embrace its poetry, one breath at a time. For in its beauty we find solace and peace, an everlasting sonnet that will never cease. In vibrant sunsets, colors ignite, painting the sky with sheer delight. The fragrance of flowers, sweet and divine. Nature's poetry, a sensory line. Let us cherish and protect this precious treasure, for nature's beauty knows no measure. In its quiet grandeur, we can find solace, and a reminder of our place in this space.